We are excited to share a preview of Ximbus, our teaching and whiteboarding app. Designed to improve student engagement and learning while integrating with your current technology. Ximbus works with any interactive whiteboard, projector, or touchscreen. Its tight integration with Google Classroom, Schoology, and other commonly used learning management systems saves educators time. Lessons and scores automatically post into your current system. And single-user sign-on makes connecting and managing accounts easy. Select from thousands of pre-made activities or quickly create collaborative lessons using your existing digital content, including PowerPoints, PDFs, Google Slides, docs and sheets, and other third-party interactive whiteboard lessons. Display content at the front of the room or share across all Chromebooks, laptops, iPads, or Android tablets. Experience robust classroom instruction that combines formative assessment with interactivity. Students practice skills by answering a variety of questions. Content can be made available anytime, anywhere for self-paced learning. Teachers can easily access scores in real time, and all activities are instantly graded and imported into your gradebook. Build successful classrooms district-wide with Ximbus. Sign up for your free preview today.